Transforming your home into a luxurious haven requires more than just splurging on high-end items. It's about thoughtful design choices and avoiding common decor pitfalls. A truly luxurious home balances style, comfort, and sophistication. Here are some common decor mistakes to avoid and tips on how to achieve that opulent look. 1. Cluttered spaces. Mistake. Over-decorating or cluttering spaces with too many items. Solution. Embrace minimalism. A luxurious home often follows the less is more principle. Select a few statement pieces and let them shine. Clear surfaces and organized spaces exude a sense of calm and sophistication. Use elegant storage solutions to keep clutter out of sight. 2. Ignoring lighting. Mistake. Relying solely on overhead lighting. Solution. Layer your lighting with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lights. Chandeliers, floor lamps, and table lamps can create a warm and inviting. Use dimmers to adjust the mood. Incorporate statement lighting fixtures that double as decor pieces, adding to the luxurious feel. 3. Poor furniture arrangement. Mistake. Pushing all furniture against the walls. Solution. Create intimate seating areas by arranging furniture away from walls. Use area rugs to define spaces and anchor furniture. Ensure there is a natural flow and conversation-friendly arrangement. This not only makes the room feel cozier, but also more luxurious. 4. Overlooking textures. Mistake. Using only one type of texture or material. Solution. Mix different textures to add depth and interest to your decor. Combine smooth and rough textures, soft and hard materials. Layering textures creates a rich, luxurious feel. 5. Neglecting windows. Mistake. Leaving windows bare or using cheap window treatments. Solution. Invest in high-quality window treatments. Floor-to-ceiling drapes in luxurious fabrics like silk or velvet add elegance. Consider custom treatments for a perfect fit. Roman shades or plantation shutters are also excellent choices for a refined look. 6. Skimping on art and accessories. Mistake. Choosing generic art or none at all. Solution. Invest in unique art pieces that reflect your personal style. Art adds character and can be a focal point in a room. Complement art with carefully selected accessories like sculptures, vases, and decorative objects. Avoid overcrowding. Instead, curate a collection that adds to the room's luxury. 7. Ignoring scale and proportion. Mistake. Using furniture and decor items that are too large or too small for the space. Solution. Pay attention to scale and proportion. Choose furniture that fits the size of your room and leaves enough space for movement. Large rooms can handle grand pieces, while smaller spaces benefit from more compact, multifunctional furniture. 8. Disregarding color harmony. Mistake. Using too many bold colors without a cohesive scheme. Solution. Stick to a cohesive color palette. Neutral tones with pops of color create a timeless, luxurious look. Use bold colors sparingly as accents. Incorporate metallics like gold, silver, or bronze for added glamour. 9. Inadequate use of mirrors. Mistake. Using mirrors only in bathrooms. Solution. Use mirrors strategically to reflect light and make spaces feel larger. A statement mirror can be a focal point in a living room, entryway, or bedroom. Mirrors framed in luxurious materials like brass or wood add an elegant touch. 10. Forgetting about scent. Mistake. Neglecting the importance of a pleasant scent in your home. Solution. Incorporate fragrances that enhance the luxurious feel. Use scented candles, diffusers, or fresh flowers. Choose sophisticated scents like vanilla, sandalwood, or lavender to create a welcoming atmosphere. 11. Overlooking the dining table. Mistake: neglecting the dining table as a decor focal point. Solution: treat the dining table as a canvas for luxury. Use elegant table settings, high-quality linens, and statement centerpieces. Incorporate seasonal elements for a dynamic look. Consider creating a dedicated dining space that exudes sophistication and comfort. 12. Ignoring outdoor spaces. Mistake: neglecting patios, balconies, or gardens. Solution: extend your luxurious decor to outdoor spaces. Use comfortable, stylish furniture, outdoor rugs, and weather-resistant accessories. Create an inviting atmosphere with lighting, plants, and decorative items that mirror your indoor style. 13. Not personalizing your space. Mistake: following trends too strictly without adding personal touches. Solution: personalize your home by incorporating unique elements such as family heirlooms, travel souvenirs, and personal photographs. These touches infuse your space with character and warmth, making it a true reflection of your personality and taste. For more tips and insights on interior design and home maintenance, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're looking to more inspiration, join us on the Princess Home. Thank you for watching.